One of the most powerful features of the smart Wi-Fi system is the ability to communicate with your customers automatically. With our smart email feature, you can create customized email campaigns that are automatically sent to your guests based on their Wi-Fi usage. For instance, perhaps you want to send your restaurant menu with some links to your social media websites to be sent automatically when someone connects to your smart Wi-Fi system. What a great way to welcome someone to your establishment! Or maybe you want to have a survey automatically sent a day after they were at your business, so you can gauge your customer experience before they post negative reviews on the internet, or to promote positive reviews. Or maybe you want to build loyalty by rewarding a guest with a discount after so many visits to your business. Or maybe you want to drive customers back if they haven't been in your business after a period of time. All of this and more can be done with the smart email feature. And once they're set up, they run automatically. Let's take a closer look and set a few of these examples up. From the dashboard, click the Smart Email menu item, and then click the Campaign Rule menu item. This is where you will create the email campaign rules. The campaign rules define when the emails are sent and what email to send. You'll build the email message to your guests using our easy-to-use email editor. Let's set up your first rule. Click the Add Rule button. This page is where you'll define when the email is sent. I'm going to set up a rule that sends my restaurant menu to every new guest right after they log into my smart Wi-Fi system. I won't enable the rule to start sending until I've created the email and sent myself a test to make sure it's exactly the way I want it. I'm going to name my rule Welcome Send Menu. The rule name can be anything you want to help you remember what this email does. Then I'm going to add the subject of my email that will be seen by my guests. I'll put Welcome to Anna's Steakhouse. I only have one location, so I'm going to choose my location from the hotspot list. If you have more than one location with smart Wi-Fi and want to send this email to guests in both locations, just select the additional hotspot locations here. The Schedule Count area is the specific trigger for the email to send. I want to send my menu to guests 1 minute after they connect to my smart Wi-Fi system for the first time, so I will enter 1 in this field and leave the pull-down set to minute. So 1 minute after someone connects for the first time, they will get this email. Next, I want to personalize my emails to my guests. When the guest logs in using their social media accounts, the smart Wi-Fi system automatically collects their first and last name. Adding your guest's first name, the email adds a personal touch. But I also allow people to connect with just their email address, so the smart Wi-Fi system won't know their first and last name. In these cases, I will add a generic merge field to my email. So my email will be Dear First Name, but if I don't know their first name, I will have the system populate that area with guest. So my email would start with Dear Guest. I also want the email form to appear as though it came from my restaurant, so in the From field, I will put Anna's Steakhouse. Now I'm ready to compose the actual email they will get. To compose the email, click the Edit Email Body button. You will now be in the email editor. Just like composing an email in any email software, like Microsoft Outlook, you will see a toolbar at the top so you can choose different fonts, styles, sizes, or font colors, as well as where you can upload images, paste from Microsoft Word, and even create hyperlinks, so when someone clicks on a word or image, they are redirected to a web page with more information. On the lower portion of the editor, we also have some basics templates that you can use and customize. For this email, I simply want to add a Dear Guest and include my menu that I've already made into an image by taking a picture of it using my cell phone and saving the image on my computer. I also want to place a link to my Facebook page at the bottom and include my address and phone number. On the top of the editor, I'm going to add Dear, and then I'm going to copy and paste the merge code for the first name of my guest. Again, if they didn't give you their name, then the system will use whatever you used in the salutation field on the last page. I'm going to use the right mouse button to copy the first name and paste that at the top after the Dear. Then I'm going to create a quick welcome message to the guest. And since I know they are getting this email while they're in my business, I can even put my manager's name in case they have any concerns while they are here. Now I'm going to upload my menu image from my desktop into the email by clicking the image icon in the toolbar. I'll click the Upload tab, and I'm going to choose my menu image file that's saved on my desktop. Then I simply click the Upload button. Now I can see my menu in the preview area and can make any size adjustments here and align it to the left or right. Also, I want my menu to be hyperlinked, so if the guest clicks on the menu image, then my web page will open. I click the Link tab and add my website address to the URL field. That looks good. Now I click OK, and I can now see my menu in the editor. Now under the menu, I want to add my business address and phone number so they can call ahead for reservations the next time they visit me. I also want to add an unsubscribe button on the bottom in case the guest doesn't want to receive any more emails from my smart Wi-Fi system. If I forget to add this, the system will automatically add it for me to help with any legal compliance that may be applicable in your area regarding email solicitations. Great! I'm happy with the way the email looks, so now I want to save it and send myself a test to make sure it's exactly the way I want it to look. I press the Close button, and I'm returned back to my original campaign area. To save everything, just press the Submit button. Now I can see that my campaign rule has been created, and I can test it by sending a copy to my email address. Just click the test icon and enter your email address. The smart Wi-Fi system will send you a copy of the new email. You can edit anything that you may want to change, or if you're happy with it, you can enable it, and it will start delivering emails as people start connecting to your smart Wi-Fi system. Just click the Edit icon, then enable the rule, and then click Submit again. That's it! Your first smart email is ready to go and will automatically start sending to people. Now you can create some additional rules. Perhaps you want to send a survey the next day, or send an email to loyal guests after their 10th visit, or send an email to bring guests back. All of this can be done by creating more rules. Get creative and set up some more.